Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you to crochet this lovely stitch. I know it's really hard for you to see, but I just wanted to show you. It's a 3D. So I have crocheted this. Sorry about the loud. It's pretty hot, so I had to open the windows. Okay, it's Red Heart with Love premium yarn, and this is the colorway, just to show you. So I'm crocheting a scarf for the homeless, and you need to chain multiple of 4 plus 5. Okay, it's reversible, the two sides are the same, and it's just fantastic. See, when you pull it, this is how it looks like. So let's get started. Again, for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the same yarn. I had a lady, she traded yarn from me, and I usually don't do that, but I said why not, because I guess, yeah, I usually don't, because my nose is very sensitive for scents, smell. But this time I said, okay, but in the future I'm not going to do it. Okay, so she brought me yarn, same 4 weight again. So I'm going to be using the biggest crochet hook, which is a 6.5. Okay, so I'm just going to chain, I would say 24 times 5, so that would be 20. Just like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. It's just a scarf. Okay, and then from here I'm going to hold, and I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, right where I hold it, I'm going to make a double crochet. Multiple of 4. I get that question a lot. It's multiple of 4. Even I say it on the video, I get that question. Chain 3. So on that double crochet that we did, we're going to make total of 3 double crochet. So with that chain, it's going to be looking like a 4 double crochet. Okay, so from here I'm going to be skipping 3. On the 4th I'm going to make a double crochet right there, and then just like this, chain 3 and then repeat it. Make 3 double crochet on that double crochet. Okay, again, skip 3. On the 4th, make a double crochet. I'm using a big crochet hook because 3 double crochet, a 3 chain, and then 3 double crochet, because I want the scarf to be nice and clean, nice and nice and soft. So 3, and then again skip 3 on the 4th, make a double crochet. One, 2, 3, and then, so how many did we do? We did 4. Now this is the 4th one. Okay, again 2 on the 4th, make a double crochet, just like this. 1, 2, 3, and then make 3 double crochet. Okay, on this first row we didn't chain anything, so when we're finishing, we're gonna finish up with no chain. So just wanted to point out, this is how it looks like. I know doesn't it look weird compared to this? Look, there's no space between. Isn't it odd? It's really nice. This stitch is not new. I made a scarf, shawl, and I do have a pattern on my Etsy shop, but it's a shawl. Okay, this is just back and forth that we crochet. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 5. So we're done. I have 2 chain left, so I'm going to pull that nicely. And I did chain loosely. As you can see, it's pretty loose. So from here, every time we do a turnaround on the edge, we're going to chain 5. 3, 4, 5. Turn my work. Okay. Okay, right here, where that 3 chain is, I'm going to make total of 4 double crochet. That's all I'm doing. Okay, and every time I skip after the first row, second row, we're going to chain 3, and then jump where that 3 chain is, and then repeat it. 4 double crochet. See how easy it is, and it's mindless, and it goes so fast. It uses up lots of yarn due to the double crochet. 3 chain again, and jump where that 3 chain is, and then make 4 double crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Four double crochet, chain 3, and on this last one where that 3 chain is, we're going to make 4 double crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like I said, every time we turn around, we make 5 double crochet. Okay, so we're going to grab this first double crochet that we did, and when you look at it, it should be on your 4th double crochet. So we're going to make 4 double crochets, just like this. We're going to angle it this way, and it's way easy. Chain 3, and then go to the next through 4 double crochet and grab that first double crochet and hold it like this, and then make 4 double crochet. And then you will notice that the stitch is picking up, like it's closing up. 2, 3 chain, and then go to the next 4 double crochet. Again, hold it like this. I don't even bother looking, but I will show you when I finish this row how it closes up. 3, and then 4 double crochet, chain 3, and then hold it like this and grab the next 4, and on the first make 4 double crochet. See how easy it is? 1, 2, 3. Okay, and come here and grab that first double crochet. 2, 3, and then 4. Chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn my work, and then automatically when you turn it, just come to the first double crochet and then make 4 double crochet. It's so easy. See how nice and smooth it goes, and it works perfect with the 4 weight. 3 chain, and then grab the next automatically. I don't even look at the others, I hold it. You can make baby blankets with this stitch. Again, it uses up lots of yarn, so just to point out. Oh, I forgot to chain 2 more. Okay, 2 and 3. Okay, let me just show you how it looks like. See? When the color is solid, you can see the stitches way better. See how it looks? Okay. So, hold it like this. Don't go like this. Don't go to the bottom. Just always hold it. We're crocheting this row. Okay, and then grab that first double crochet and then make 4 double crochets like this. It goes super fast. 1, 2, 3, and then go to the next one. So every the multiple of 4, so every time you make chain multiple of 4, that's when you make these 4 cubicles. 1, 2, 3, and then come to the last one right here. Again, don't go to the bottom, don't get confused, and we don't do anything on the chains. So those chains are just to hold the cubicles that we're making. 3, 4, chain 5, turn my work, and automatically grab that same cubicle that we've been crocheting, and then make 4 double crochet on that first double crochet, and hold it like this. It's easy to crochet it like this. Chain 3, don't go to this one, hold it like this so you will know that you will be crocheting on this, just like this. So this is all we're doing. It's so easy and it's like mindless, and it goes super fast. 1, 2, 3, and then go to the next one. I'm just doing double crochets, nothing different. Again, hold it like this. Just be cautious, don't go to the bottom. When you're crocheting, if you go to the bottom, it will totally mess up the pattern stitch. One, two, three. One, two, three, 4, 5. See how it looks? See, it closes up. These 3 chains, they close up and you don't see anything. See, the more you crochet, it gives you that 3D look. Let's say you crocheted and you crocheted. When you pull it like this, it's like this. You crocheted and you crocheted and you want to end. So I will show you how to end it. Remember how we began at the beginning? So right here, I'm just going to repeat what we did. I'm going to come after 5 chain, come right here, and then make 4 double crochets. At the beginning, remember, we didn't do any chain, so we're going to finish it up like that. So this way it would be closed. So grab, jump here, no chain, make 4 double crochet, no chain, oops, sorry, jump right here, no chain, jump to the next one. So there's no chain on the first row and on the last row. Just want to point out, this way there would be no space between. It would close it up, and then come jump to the last one. This is all, see how it closes up? So this is how you crochet this stitch. I just had to share it with you guys. I wanted to do this for years and years, and I kept on postponing. So while I was at it, I started. So I want to get rid of these yarn that been sitting in front of me, and it's a best way. See how much yarn we use? So it's the best way to use up the yarn. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial. Let me show you the color one. See? 2 scarves for the homeless. Yay! So I hope you like this short tutorial. I just had to share it with you. And one day I will come and do the shawl tutorial that I have a written pattern. That's the only pattern that I have. And that took me months to write it down, believe it or not. First, this is what I like about YouTube. I do my tutorials and I share it with you. And I had, I didn't even do the tutorial, but almost 20 years ago, this stitch was very popular. So I made the shawl with this stitch, and I wrote the pattern, but with pictures and so on. It's not a professional pattern, but it's a pattern that I wrote. And I did sell just couple, not too much, not over 5, believe it or not, since 2009. And that's why I don't sit down and write patterns, because it's really hard. And you have to be very careful, because it's really hard to please people with even with my tutorials. I get lots of questions, like I explain everything here. And so when you want a pattern, I would just sit down and write what I say. That's all I'm going to say. I'm sorry. I don't have the patience to write patterns. Because I'm busy creating stuff, designs. I have so many things. And there's yarn sitting next to me that I need to work on projects. And I have whips going on over the moon. So yeah, please bear with me with those patterns. Don't ask me patterns. I don't have patterns. Okay, I'm going to end this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating I have posted a new video and want to share it with you guys. Take care, everybody. Happy crocheting.